Yo guys, I got a new keyboard, so let's see how good it sounds. It's a red switch, Logitech, so let's see. I messed up the clip. I was going for a clip, bro. What you scoping? You think you the boss, bro? What you watch, Nick 830? Yo, yo, yo. Bro, you ain't my boss. You think you're the king, bro? Come on. No. Don't you dare do that emote again. I'm your boss. Did you just hit me in the head with your pickaxe? Be honest, bro. No, 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 no. Haha, I dodged it. Did you just try to do that? Fuck. Oh, I'm clipping you for that, bro. Oh, you fucking twat.